Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. If you haven't seen our channel before, haven't seen some of our videos, make sure you guys go hit the subscribe button below, like, subscribe and share our video. In today's video, I'm walking you around a really lovely classic. It's a Jaguar XJ6. We've upgraded with not only a head unit adding functionality, but also we've upgraded the actual sound in the overall vehicle. What we've done acoustically is soundproof the doors, but also we've upgraded all of the speakers front and rear with the Audison Prima 5-inch speakers. They're a coaxial speaker, going factory location, sitting there really nicely. Plus we've added functionality into the vehicle as well. Functionality wise, we've upgraded the radio. It already had an aftermarket Kenwood unit in the car. What we've done is upgraded that with the Bremen unit. So it's a Blaupunkt unit featuring basically Bluetooth. You've got music streaming in there for your hands-free. Plus you've also got USB, SD card slot, plus loads more. It's a really common unit. I've actually got 5 cars in my workshop currently with this unit being installed or already installed. It's really popular for us. So pretty much near enough any classic car that we work on generally nowadays having this unit. Phenomenal bit of kit that gives you like a matte finish rather than a glossy finish that you find on a lot of Kenwood or sort of Pioneer units or glossy sort of single DIN units. It's a really nice solution. Plus it's slightly shorter in the DIN size of the actual unit itself. Plus you've got the way the microphone sits and stuff like that. It just looks really factory. Plus it suits the age of the vehicles that we're working on at the same time. We work on absolutely every type of vehicle, and this is another example of a classic car that we've upgraded with sound, but also we've upgraded functionality. If you're new to our videos, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. But otherwise, thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in something like this, book an audio consultation via our website, give us a call, drop us a message, any of our social media platforms, and we're more than happy to help advise you guys on what's the best upgrade for your car and get your car booked in with us. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.